Hey guys, welcome back to CNC Outdoor Power Equipment. Today we got something very exciting. This is the 2026 Bad Boy Maverick. The one in particular we have in front of us is the 54 inch. Now just so you know, you can get this in a 48, 54, or a 60 inch. Also with that being said, this one has the Kawasaki FS series engine. You can get this with a Kohler as well, again in the 48, 54, or 60. Now this model actually has some changes for 2026. This is not identical to the 2025. We're gonna dive into all those things, but let's start out front. This Maverick has the independent front suspension. The ZT Elite is the first model you get that with Bad Boy. The Maverick, it jumps up to a little bit beefier front end here. And again, these are independent front suspension. So what's that gonna help out with? That's gonna help out with the small little bumps in your yard. Moving around like that is gonna absorb some of that impact. Along with that, you have the semi-pneumatic front tires. So you're not worrying about a flat all the time. You know, the ZT Elite comes with the standard air tire. That one's gonna be semi-pneumatic. As we move up here, as you can see, this was new for 2025. They give you a rubber mat here on the floor plan, as well as this goes all the way up so you can clean out around your spindles, your spindle guards, which will come off. And that's gonna lead us into our next thing, the deck. That is, again, all new for this year. So just like in past years, it is a 7-gauge fabricated steel deck, but what's different about it is it's a slope nose deck. They started doing the slope nose. They've done it on the R series for a while. They did it last year on the Rambler and the Magnum and the Avenger. Now the ZT Elite and the Maverick get it. With the slope nose, what you're gaining with that is you're gaining more room in the underside of the deck for airflow. With that increased airflow, you're gonna get the grass to pull up better. It's gonna give a cleaner cut and it's gonna discharge cleaner. It's just gonna be a better cut all the way around. And again, this being a 7-gauge, it is very heavy duty. It is also reinforced around the whole edge. And they did add the dual, in the middle there, the dual anti-scalp wheels. You have 4 anti-scalp wheels total on the front of this deck here. They're very big. They are made to break in half instead of wear down, so you can easily replace those so you're not damaging your deck there. As we move up here, these hand grips. Now these hand grips were introduced in 2025, so there's nothing new for this year, but these are the R series hand grips, so they're not that cheap neoprene. They are more of a commercial industrial rubber on here that's gonna last for a very long time. These handles are adjustable. Not much. They don't give you a lot of room here to adjust. I do say that is one thing I wish they did. You know, everybody's different shapes and sizes, and they want it to be comfortable for everybody, which they do a really good job of, but they could make these a little bit more, you know, a little bit more movement there. Also, the next new thing for this year, the last thing that's new, this new seat. This is a new high back, and it is actually ventilated. What they've done is they've actually made this, the bottom part, wider. And of course you have the armrest, which you've always had, but it is ventilated here, which is very nice, gonna increase airflow. You're mowing, it's really hot out, which of course if you're mowing, it's gonna be warm out. And that's gonna do a really good job. It has a really good, cool texture here that is pretty cool and looks extremely well. As we stay on the right side here, we're gonna look at the deck again. You're gonna see your discharge flap right here. As you can see, we have it all the way up, which you can tighten the bolts there and keep it up, which is really nice. Loosen those, put it down. Biggest thing being is it is a true rubber flap. A lot of companies have gone to plastic flaps to save on cost, you know, whatever else it may be. The problem with the plastic is you run it into a tree, you brush it on the side of your house, whatever it may be, they can crack and break. This rubber is gonna bend and it's gonna last you a very long time while still doing a good job of keeping that grass dispersing and not blowing back into your face. Of course, as of all Bad Boys are, they are going to be a pedal assisted turn dial deck lift system. On this one in particular, nothing different here. You have from 1.5 inches up to 4.5 inches. So that's gonna be your turn dial here. Behind that is your control panel. This is a little updated here as far as the graphics goes. Looks very, very clean, looks very nice. You have your throttle here. Behind that, you have your hour meter. Next to that, you have your ignition, and then you have your electronic PTO. They also give you a blank switch, which Bad Boy does on most of their mowers. So if you wanted to add something else here, say it may be a light kit, a electronic deck lift system. You have a cutout there, you can pop it out and you can put your switch right there. Behind that, you have a little cubby. Nothing special here. I don't know what you would put here other than maybe some rags or something. You know, you are going to be going over bumps. Stuff can jump out, stuff like that. We're going to go over to the left side of the machine now. Alrighty guys, now we're over here on the left side. So what we got over here is your choke. Again, this is a Kawasaki option. Actually, all the options on the Maverick are going to be carbureted. Okay, so you're gonna have a choke, and they put it right here. Real easy to pull that up when you're sitting on the seat. Right behind that, you have the parking brake, okay? You can push that down, that's off. Pull it up, that's on. Behind that here, you have where you can fill your fuel here. Real easy to take off. Really big opening here. So, you know, you have a 5-gallon can, they get pretty heavy. You gotta dump it over. You're not spilling too much there. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're at the rear of the machine here. We're gonna go ahead and lift up this seat. Just gonna pull this bar here, lift up, not too heavy, nothing crazy here. As you can see here, you have this cord here. And one other thing that I forgot that is new for this year is a seat isolator kit. Comes standard on the Maverick now. So not only do you have the front independent suspension, you have the seat isolator kit, which is really nice. But as you can see, this cord here is going to hold this seat real sturdy up here so you can access everything. As you can see, you have your battery here. Really easy to take that out, you know, replace if need be, take it out and charge, whatever it may be. As you can see, engine-wise, again, Kawasaki and the Kohler. Now, these are not going to be commercial engines, but they're going to be a higher level engine than the entry level, what is on, say, the ZT Elite. This in particular is the FS730V. That is a 24 horsepower, okay? Also, going along with very easy to access, as you can see here, you can reach your transmission. This one in particular on this unit is going to be the Hydro Gear 3200. So these are some big boys, you know. On the ZT Elite, you get the 3100, which is the first commercial transaxle. Again, completely serviceable, filters, oil, you can service it, which is really nice. As you can see here, last point to make here on the rear, comes standard with the ROPS, the rollover protection system. As you can see, we have it down, but you can lift this up, you know, hillside, stuff like that. You have that protection. You also get a seat belt on this seat, so that's really easy to get to. Alrighty guys, I want to first of all thank you all for watching this video today on the new 2026 Bad Boy Maverick. We're going to be doing a ton more videos like this. A lot of new stuff coming out in the lawnmower world. And I want to remind you guys, we are a dealership located here in Dayton, Ohio. We have 3 locations. If you're in the area somewhat close, we sell all over. We would love the opportunity to sell you a mower. But also, we're going to be doing a ton more videos like this, and we do listen to what you guys want to see and all that kind of stuff. So if there's anything you want to see, make sure you comment below, let us know. It really helps keep us motivated when you guys like, subscribe, share the video. So make sure to do that if you enjoyed it. And also, let us know, are you going to be looking at the new Maverick this year? Thanks for watching.